welcome back to my channel. So today I have a kind of trend inspired outfits video. So I was going to shoot this in kind of like a fancy pants lookbook, but then I thought, you know what, I just kind of want to talk you through key pieces that I've kind of added into my closet this season and kind of do it in a sort of vlog style way. I hope you guys like the way I've shot this. Let me know in the comments down below what you think, or whether you prefer that kind of like more glossy, out and about lookbook kind of thing. But I just thought this was a really good way of me kind of talking you through the things that I've added into my wardrobe that are kind of trend pieces but are really working in my kind of like everyday wardrobe, if that makes sense. Because I'm very realistic with fashion. I'm not someone that just wears weird trends for the sake of it. I like to kind of integrate cool things into my wardrobe that I know I'm going to wear over and over again. So yeah, I felt like that kind of explains what this is. If you guys aren't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do that. That would mean so much to me, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what else you would like to see on my channel, and yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so my first trend that I'm going to talk about is animal print, and I'm loving that different kinds of animal print are super in this season. Also, by the way, new mirror setup. Let me know what you guys think of this. I think it works really well because my mirrors on my like closet door are split in half, so it's really hard to show outfits. But anyway, back to the outfit. So yeah, the biggest trend this season really is animal print in all different kinds. Leopard, snake are like the biggest ones, or cheetah if you're in America. And I absolutely love this skirt. I picked it up while I was traveling this summer, and it's from Bershka. And I love the wrap style because it kind of like, if you want, you can have a bit of leg, so it's not fully midi. So on me, it's kind of a bit more flattering than a classic midi skirt, being a bit shorter. And another trend or another look that is just absolutely everywhere is that kind of midi length skirt with a slouchy, oversized piece of knitwear. I really like doing this with a cropped knit because I think that's really flattering, again, on my petite frame. So I've gone with this kind of camely coloured one. This is from Pretty Little Thing, and I think it's awesome. I absolutely love it. And then I've gone and paired it with some black boots. Typically this would kind of cut off the leg, but these ones are slightly sock style, so you kind of still get that kind of leg shape, if that makes sense, where it kind of nips in a little bit. And yeah, I think this is such a great way to wear animal print. There are so many of these skirts everywhere. I will link a bunch down below. Honestly, I've seen them Topshop, Zara, tons of stores, so I'll be sure to link them down below. Also, in the kind of animal print trend, I guess, there I've popped on my tortoiseshell hoops. They are from Madewell, and I think they work really well with this look. What do you guys think of animal print trend? Are you loving it? What are you buying? I also have a really cute backpack, which I will be sure to link down below, that I'm loving. If you kind of didn't want to add it to your wardrobe, if you were someone who just wanted to kind of add it to your accessories. But yeah, for the first look, first trend, it is animal print. The next trend I want to talk about is a slip dress. Now, slip dresses are everywhere. They have been for a while, but I really wanted to show you a slightly different way of styling them, which I feel is like perfect for day to night, because the silky kind of fabric nature of them makes them quite dressy anyway, but I feel like it's something that you can kind of wear more than you think, if that makes sense. So I have gone and styled this gorgeous green coloured one up with a leather jacket, a belt, and some black booties that you've seen before. So with this dress, I really wanted to add a toughness to it because slip dresses are so pretty and feminine and can sometimes look a little bit like lingerie. So I just wanted to add that kind of edge and toughness with the boots and the leather jacket and the belt. I'm going to take this jacket off. How amazing is this leather jacket? I wear it all the time. It's from All Saints. One of the best investment pieces I've ever gotten. I absolutely love it, and I'll be sure to link it down below. But let me take it off. So with the jacket off, you can see the shape of this slip dress, and it's got this like pretty cowl detail, and I like this one because it has an extra halter, so you can kind of hoosh the cowl up and down, if that makes sense. And I really like throwing a belt around a slip dress on me. I find some of them can be a little bit unflattering, but there's no reason why you can't add a belt. Most of them look like when you put them on that you wouldn't, but I just find it gives me that little bit of extra shape. Also, the Western trend is huge this season, so I love throwing this belt on. It kind of just edges up an outfit a little bit, and this kind of way of tying it in a loop. Let me know if you want to see my little tips on how to do that. I do it all the time on all my belts because they're always a bit too long for some reason. But yeah, I really like this slip dress. I think it's cute and I feel really like comfortable in it. I feel like I could go out and eat a big dinner and I'd feel great. And I also really like this green colour. I think this is a huge trend this season. And again, I just threw on some like hoops and my regular jewellery to kind of edge it up. But yeah, I'm really, really loving this whole slip dress trend. What do you guys think? Do you think this looks just too much like lingerie, or could you get away with it for every day? So next up, I wanted to kind of give a focus to a midi skirt because I feel like I've seen so many of the kind of like silky midi skirts around and they're really simple and they look great, and I just kind of wanted to show a slightly different way to wear one. Also, I wanted to kind of show, if you're a bit of a petite girl, a great way to pull one off. So obviously I loved the way I styled the leopard print one, but this striped skirt from H&M I think is freaking awesome. I absolutely love it. I love the kind of high slit that it has. I love the shape. I love these lines. I think they're really flattering. Sorry if they're going a bit fuzzy. They are on the camera here. But I absolutely loved styling this one casually because I feel like the stripes could end up looking like quite formal and smart for like an office. Or maybe the slit wouldn't be appropriate for an office, but you kind of get what I mean. And I wanted to throw it on with a really simple white tee. This one is really oversized, which nipping it in like this at the waist kind of gives a really nice shape and silhouette to the skirt. And then I threw on my rose gold sneakers. These are from Reebok and I've just been wearing them so much, can't even tell you. But I really like styling midi skirts like this, and I think it kind of edges them up a little bit and makes them look a bit more casual. I think my top tip for wearing them as a petite girl is to go for something A with a slit, very important, just a little bit of leg now and again, like really just breaks it up. And then also I'm loving these kind of asymmetric ones, or something with a bit of shape in the hip area, or a wrap style like the first one I showed you guys. I just really think that style lends itself really well to being a petite shorter girl. Like if you are and you want to wear like a sneaker or something with it, how nice is the fact that it's got a slight A-line, you see a bit more of my leg, it doesn't cut me off as much as one that was just kind of ended at my mid calf. So yeah, I really, really like this. What do you guys think of midi skirts? Are you seriously investing? I feel like they've suddenly just blown up everywhere and everyone's loving them, but they are really cool and they're a really nice alternative to just like wearing jeans and t-shirt. So yeah, this is cool. Okay, on to a look that might not be for everyone, but I am in love and obsessed. The 70s trend is here with a vengeance. Everything's kind of flared and very fun and colourful, and I love this for this season. I just think having a bit of fun with colour, and 70s works so well for like fall, these kind of like browns and mustards and burnt oranges. I just think they rock this time of year. So I picked up this little two-piece that I really wanted to share with you guys. I didn't know if it was too out there, but I'm obsessed, so I thought, you know what, why not? It is a two-piece set from Forever 21. It is trousers and a crop top, but it kind of, on me anyway, it finishes, so it just looks like an amazing jumpsuit one piece. And then I decided to also pick up this long cardigan, and I feel like you could totally throw like a leather jacket and some biker boots on with this and it would be a kind of a different look. But I really wanted to go like full 70s glam in this outfit, and I've got my hoops, my layered jewelry, and then I went for these grey sock boots with this look. I don't know why, but I feel like this is so chic, and I feel like there's so many ways you could kind of dress down the 70s trend if you just wanted to throw on a hoop or some like flared jeans. There's certain ways you could like ease into it, but I just wanted to show you like a really fun way of rocking 70s this season. I'd love to know what you guys think of this outfit. I think it's adorable. I know it's not gonna be for everyone, but yeah, I absolutely love it. I just think it's fun and out there, and that's what I feel like the 70s was all about. So yeah, 70s trend is around and it's here to stay. And my final trend is camo pants. Now, you might have seen these on my Instagram. I've been wearing these to death. I'm obsessed with these pants. I think they're really, really cool. One, they're like so freaking comfortable. I feel like I'm wearing my sweats out, and I just kind of have been loving like mixing them with different things to like dress them up and down. So to talk you through how I've styled them, I threw on this band tee. This is one that was like kind of regular size that I cut to like the perfect length where my jeans and everything finish on me, and these pants are from Toby.com and they're just awesome. I just feel like they work so well. They are quite long on me, so I love wearing them with like a sock boot or something like this to kind of bring up the hem, just to give me a little bit of shape. And then yep, on the top just a band tee. I just kind of want to show you a bit more of a casual way, well, kind of casual-ish. You could totally throw these on with some Vans or some like white sneakers or black sneakers, and I think they would look really, really cool. And I've just been loving wearing these. They're such a perfect like transitional piece where like you could wear these and they're like light enough, like almost like a little bit lighter than denim, if that makes sense. So yeah, I've absolutely been loving these and really wanted to show them in this trends video because they're super on trend and I have been loving them. So I hope you enjoyed all my trends and that has inspired you to kind of like jazz up your wardrobe this fall. Let me know, as always, down in the comments what other videos you'd like to see here on my channel. Give this video a like if you liked it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye! Mwah.